subscribe.
Hey, jump and dance, let's sing today. Letters, words, and fun, hooray! A, B, C, let's start right now. Clap your hands and shout out loud. A is for apple, shiny and red. Good crunch, crunch, take a bite instead. Sweet and juicy, big or small. Apples are the best of all. A, B is for ball, rolling so fast. Toss it, catch it, make it last. Bounce, bounce, up so high. Throw it, spin it, give it a try. B, C is for cat, soft and sweet. Purring gently, so neat. Jumping high, chasing a light. Play all day, sleep all night. B's for dinosaur, big and tall. Stomping around, hear his call. Roar, roar, said the dinosaur. Let's count his steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. E is for elephant, big and strong. Swinging his trunk as he hums along. Marching slowly, ears so wide. Say hello, let's walk with pride. F is for frog who loves to hop. Jumping on lily pads, flop, flop, flop. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along. Join the frog in his happy song. We learned so much, hip hooray. A, B, C, made our day. Apples, balls, and cows so cool. Ants and bears, they're awesome too. A, learned so much, hooray, hooray. Letters E, E, F, made our